Hello everyone, in this video I will review claritycheck.com. Claritycheck.com is a reverse phone lookup website that claims to help users find out who's behind unknown calls or text. The idea sounds useful. You enter a number and it gives you details like the caller's name, location, and sometimes even photos or social media links. But in reality, many users report mixed results. Some say it gives accurate information, especially for landlines or public listed numbers. Others complain that it showed outdated or completely wrong details. You often need to pay to unlock full reports, and the pricing can be confusing. The site teases results before asking for a subscription, which frustrates some users. It doesn't always work well for cell phones or newer numbers. Privacy concerns have also been raised, as the site may collect your search history. Customer support is limited and canceling subscription has been tricky for some. On the plus side, it's fast and easy to use, but overall the value depends on your expectations. If you just want basic info, there are free options out there. For deeper investigations, this may be not the most reliable tool. It's not necessarily a scam, but it's also not magical. Use it with caution and don't expect too much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.